Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92 HVAC work by Samiullah Khan 92. Today our video is about the maintenance of split unit. So in split unit indoor we are discuss this thing what we can do about the maintenance of indoor unit. You can see here there is a used air filter in this one, and 3-meter filter. It's optional in some unit coming or some not coming. Plasma plus HAF filter, this one is also optional in some units. They are used and some they are not using. So what we can do in the maintenance, you can see this is this is given in the catalog of AC. So what we can do about the maintenance. So this is the in first column we can see item, cleaning intervals, and cleaning methods, how we can clean. So this is the first item is air filter. This one is the air filter which is used in this place. So air filter must be clean interval is 2 weeks. In every 2 weeks you can clean the air filter. And another one is 3-meter filter, which is this one. You can see here available in the 3-meter filter is available here in the indoor. Its time is 1 month, and the plasma filter is need to clean in every 3 months. So this is the about indoor filters. Indoor unit surface, they are asking you cleaning regularly. Use a soft dry cloth. Use any soft or dry cloth to clean it from the inside. Do not use bleach or abrasive. So because if you use bleach or abrasive, maybe the color of the indoor will damage. Outdoor unit also regularly use steam to clean the heat exchanger coils and the panel vents. Consult with technician. They are asking use steam to clean the heat exchanger coils and the panel vents. But I'll recommend you, if the heat exchanger coils, you can clean in every 6 months or 3 months with the water. I'll recommend you. But anyway, this is the catalog of the split AC. They're also true. Okay, let's see how we can clean. In the next step is our next step is to clean the air filter. How we can clean the air filter? Clean the air filter once every 2 weeks or more if necessary. More, why they are asking? If there's it's open, your unit is in open area, so you need to clean it in every 1 week, because it will catch the dust. First step is to turn off the power and unplug the power cord. Everyone know about this one. To unplug the unit, open the indoor cover, lift up both sides of the cover slightly. You can see, lift it from the sides. You can hold it from the sides and lift up the front cover. Okay, hold the knob of the air filter, lift it up slightly and remove it from the unit. So you can hold the knob of the filters and lift it up slightly, and you can easily remove these filters. When you open this cover, you will understand how to remove it. Clean the filter with a vacuum cleaner or with warm water, and dry the filter in the shade. If the dirt will not go from it, you can clean it with the warm water. It's better, and use a detergent, no problem. Cleaning of 3-meter filter. Turn off the power and unplug the power cord. Open the front cover and remove the air filter. Pull out the 3-meter filter. And how you can clean it? I'll use a vacuum cleaner to remove dirt. Do not wash the 3-meter filter with water. This is very important in this. Do not wash the 3-meter filter with water, because the filter can be damaged. So it means the 3-meter filter, you can not use any water on that one. Maybe you can damage your filter. So only use vacuum cleaner to clean that one. Cleaning the plasma filter. Turn off the power and unplug the power cord. The same you can do in this one also. Open the front cover. You know about this one before we discuss. Remove the plasma filter in 10 seconds. This one is plasma filter on the top, HAF filter and plasma filter. The two filters are used in this one. And you can use in this one use a vacuum cleaner to remove any dirt. If it is difficult to remove, wash the filter with lukewarm water. Okay, dry the filter in the shade. So if difficult to remove the dirt in this one, so you can use the warm water to remove it. So this is this you can see about the filter. This one is the air filter, and this you can see here is the air filter, this one, and the 3-meter filter is on the top coming in this area, on the from the top side coming, and this is the plasma filter and HF filter. So this is all about the maintenance of the split unit. And about outdoor unit, I recommend you before the summer season you must clean your outdoor with water. And but it's very good and efficient if you clean your outdoor every 3 months. Every 3 months if you clean your outdoor coil, your unit will be working very well, and there will be no load coming on the on your system, and not possible, and it will save your compressor. So this is all our so this is all about the in split AC maintenance, how you can clean your indoor and outdoor. So in the next videos, and some before I make videos of cleaning of air filter and cleaning of condensers, you see this in the videos. I discuss this here, the some things about the catalog, what is recommended by the companies. So this is all about the split AC indoor. And keep in touch with me. I'll show you some other videos about the error codes, about the chillers, about the package units, and many more work about the air conditioning. I can make videos for you. So if you are AC technician or your work is related with the air conditioning, you must join my channel. And if you have any question about that one, you can ask in the comments. I'll reply about that one. If you have any question about the air conditioning maintenance, I'll tell you the answer in the comments. So it's all about my YouTube channel, HVAC Work by Samiullah Khan 92. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.